The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Scott. Tornado emergency for Idabel and southwest McCurtain Company. A tornado warning remains in effect until 7:15 p.m. for southern McCurtain and northeastern Red River counties. At 6:44 p.m., a confirmed large and destructive tornado was located 9 miles southwest of Idabel, or 14 miles northeast of Clarksville, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Idabel. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, deadly tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Idabel around 6:55 p.m., Broken Bow around 7:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Eagletown, Farmers Hill, Cerro Gordo, Harris, Goodwater, Chenul, Silver City, Hanworth, Holly Creek, and Garvin. The National Weather Service